Oh, whoa. Whoa. This is a great bit. Oh, this is a gopher I want. Where is?
I don't think he has a clue what it is.
I think it is. What? A tendo! A tendo! Looks like a tendo. New. Hey. A tendo, Dad.
I know. It's got a camera on it.
So you can take your pictures and videos.
And what is this? I think this is what I went for. Oh. I wanted this too. Cool. Well, I saw this on the back already.
At Target.
No. At that place, Mom. Where that boy was playing the Wii. That was it.
Oh, at the GameStop.
Yeah, I saw this already.
Do you want me to get that out of the box?